guy.
How's it going, man?
All right. This one is better than all, right?
Yeah, that's why I put in the ad. That's why it's so cheap. I just need to make some space.
Ada
Ni fly kan.
dunia apa?
Le mimbani ni.
Ne mimbani sasa. Memang jualnya lah make ani ni kan. Flauta. Flauta.
Ne ya wala fly na ni bere tungo kemeni mo.
Oh no, data. Ana tu kemela foli.
Atisa.
Ama foli tu. Kuya sanandele kunde kotu.
Si.
Oh, jenda.
I waited here, man. I lowered the price. What's gonna happen?
I'm trying to get it for him.
You go to the tire shop, they're gonna charge you like $150 just for one. You get what I'm saying? This is temporary. The whole thing is going for $120. You're not gonna beat this price. They're gonna charge you $150
You know,
for one.
I buy from you all the time.
When?
They run flat. My brother sent my brother the last time with the 19 too.
Then your brother knows. He
Yeah,
knows that my
true.
tires are good,
Yeah.
and you can't beat this price, right? You're not gonna beat the price.
And you got 18 run flat.
I don't have that right now. You're not gonna.
kemela. Can I leave it 100?
Huh?
100.
I had a 160. I ordered to a 120. I waited. It's 8:30 right now, man.
Yeah, I arrange it badly
It's
for
for
me.
that.
You
I'm
know?
trying like I said.
Yeah, leave it 100. This all this way is not.
The pictures were in the ad. He knows what he's buying. Or you saw the pictures.
No,
sorry.
it's for me, but I'm buying for him. That's his guy.
It's my
Do me
car.
the favor and just give me the 20. I'll give you a good deal next time. This is already a good deal. It's 8:30 right now. You just 6:45, and I wait for you. It's like it's so much time that I'm wasting.
That's gonna come out of my pocket. I'll do it.
Yeah, and I'll give you a discount next time.
No,
$20 off.
That's fine because I'm the one that see it. So
I understand, but next time I'll take another 20 off. How many times you messaged me and you didn't come?
Yeah.
You messaged me with all the ones too, right?
yeah.
Oh, here.
That's it. Let's take away.
Bro, you are working here? I need restroom.
No, I don't work here. There's no restaurant.
Oh, okay. Jelly.
About yesterday.
No, até. Yeah, I think they were correct.
All right, thank you,
Thank you,
man.
boss.
All right.